So today I bought some different magnetic types, 4 of the kind, to test if they work as a magnetic barrier for the Xiaomi. So let's power it up. The first is the top right, magnetic tape and holder. The second is magnets, animators, flexible magnetic tape with adhesive, so I can tape it down. Magnetic tape from Day Tools, and some other tape with 3M Scotch adhesive. So let's try first the top right. So you see the barrier, and now let's start the cleaner.
Starting the cleanup.
So, not interesting. So next I try the next tape with the item number 44072. Quite short. So
Starting the cleanup.
So this tape does also not work. So the next tape has the item number 07053. So the last is the Day Tools magnetic tape. It's quite thin. So the resume of third-party magnetic tapes is you have to buy the original Xiaomi or Neato or Vorwerk magnetic tapes. I've tested 3 cheap tapes which are available on the market and none of them worked. So like and subscribe.